Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Out for the Trash. This is kind of a teaser video. So here we go. So we got another Toro recycler. Supposedly the guy said there's nothing wrong with this mower, just that he doesn't cut his grass anymore. So nothing wrong with this mower. Supposedly, we haven't looked at it. We'll get into that in a little bit. So then when we were over at his house, he was giving us a bunch of other stuff. Let me get this stuff out of the way so I can get to what we're going to show next. So then he gave us a DeWalt 34 PSI pressure washer. Supposedly, there's nothing wrong with it either. I guess he's not going to pressure wash anymore. Then, the next thing he gave us was this Poulon XT gear drive 12.5 horsepower 36-inch riding lawn tractor. He says this does not run. He says he seems to think it has no spark. So we haven't done anything with it yet. It rained the other night, as you can see. It's got a gel cell battery. The battery's dead. We are going to have to charge it up. But this thing, I think, is about 10 years old. It actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. He must have had it in his garage. So this will be coming up on the channel. Also, too, look, there's a little label there with replacement parts. That's very nice. Ground drive belt, primary mower belt, air filter, pre-filter, spark plug, fuel filter, keys. All right. I don't know if this is actually an MTD machine. It sure does look like an MTD machine, but I'm not sure. It might be made by Poland. I don't know. So anyway, so lawn tractor, that's coming up on the channel. So right now we have to get this unloaded, and we've got some miscellaneous metal here too. But we'll have to look at the pressure washer, the lawnmower, and I'm really excited about looking at the Poulon because my Troy built mower that is kind of hiding back there in the background, boy, that thing is getting kind of old and kind of falling apart. I'm getting tired of putting a lot of money into it. Anyway, so that's what we have right now on this absolutely beautiful fall day. So just a teaser video. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching the teaser video of Out for the Trash. Be sure you subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to put the icon down there, but you should be able to subscribe right down there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the Out for the Trash videos. I don't know if we dented that. No, I don't think so. But there'll be upcoming video on all pieces of this equipment. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Like I said, you can always do that in that corner down there. And we will catch you on the next one.